If you have PCOS, PCOD or irregular periods, then let me tell you, you're not alone in this. Yoga can be really powerful to help you with all of them. So let's start our practice with Suryanamaskara. Come at the top of your mat, gently inhale, arching your back, stretching your abdominal. Exhale, go down to Padottanasana. Try to touch your nose with your knees. Now gently inhale again. Come to Chalana, relaxing your back foot completely on the mat. Now then exhale, come to downward facing dog. Now from here, inhale, come to Halasana. Exhale, dropping your knees, your chest, your chin on the mat. Now gently inhaling, come to Bhujangasana. Now from here, tuck your toes. Exhale, come to downward facing dog, which is Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now from here, inhale, take your right leg forward in between your arms, come to Chalana. Exhale, bring your left foot forward to Padottanasana. Inhaling, arching your back. Exhale to Samastiti. Let's do it with your left leg. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, come to Padottanasana. Now inhale, take your left leg backward to Chalana. Exhale, come to downward facing dog. Inhale, come to Halasana. Exhale, knee, chest, chin down. Inhale, come to Bhujangasana. Exhale, tuck your toes, come to downward facing dog. Now from here, inhale, take your left leg forward in between your legs to Chalana. Exhale, gently come to Padottanasana. Inhale, arching your back. Exhale to Samastiti. That's your one set. Our next asana is Trikonasana. Trikonasana is an amazing posture to open up your hips, improve your digestion, which is an often issue with your PCOS problem. Practicing this daily helps you with your PCOS, PCOD and irregular periods issue. So this is with your right side. We will gonna practice it with the left side also. Deep side bends like this helps in your balancing your insulin levels and reducing waist weight and reducing waist fat also, which helps in your regulating PCOS symptoms. Next asana is Utkatasana. This is a very powerful pose which helps in stimulating your pelvic region and builds the stamina in your lower body region and also helps you in fighting PCOS and PCOD. Now next is Prasarita Padottanasana. It's a very calming inversion that improves the blood flow to the uterus and ovaries. With PCOS and PCOD condition, your uterus and ovaries gets affected a lot. Practicing this asana daily helps in uterus and ovaries health. Next asana is a Malasana. Malasana, also known as a yogi squat, it's a very amazing grounding hip opener that improves your reproductive organ function and helps in healing of your uterus as well. Next asana is Chakki Chalanasana in clockwise direction. This asana is an amazing exercise for your abdominal organs. It also helps in reducing the belly fat, which is very, very helpful for your PCOD symptoms. Let's do it anti-clockwise. This Chakki Chalanasana, doing it regularly massages your pelvic area in circular motion, which helps in improving the blood flow to your uterus. Next asana is Janu Sirsasana with your left leg. This amazing asana stretches your hamstrings and soothes your nervous systems, which helps in balancing your PCOS and stress levels, which affects your irregular periods a lot. Next asana is Janu Shishasana, right leg. Doing this asana also helps in relaxing your jaw, shoulders as you fold gently. No force, just keep on breathing. Next asana is Titli Asana. This pose directly activates the ovaries and improves the blood circulation to your uterus system. Amazing posture in keeping your uterus health on point always. Next asana is Baddha Konasana. It's a classic reproductive health asana. This helps in regularizing your periods naturally. You don't need a medication if you're doing this every single day in your daily routine. Next asana is Sarvangasana. It is a very powerful inversion to balance your system and stimulate your thyroid levels as well. It also helps in reducing your stress levels, which directly impacts your PCOS and PCOD symptoms. Next asana is Halasana. This is my personally favorite pose because it helps in calming your mind. It relaxes your thyroid levels. It supports your hormonal imbalances as well. So it's a one asana with a pack of so many health benefits. Practicing it daily helps in regulating your periods a lot. Next asana is Karna Pidasana. This asana gives a gentle massage to your abdominal and pelvic region. It's a bit advanced posture. Do it as per your flexibility allows. If you can't do it, you can do the modification just staying in the by Halasana only. Next asana is Supta Konasana. Again, my favorite posture for regulating your periods naturally. It's a total relaxing posture. It let your body absorb the benefits all of your practice you have done so far. An amazing posture to helps in improving your blood circulation to your entire body. Next asana is Bharadvajasana, which is with the left side. It's a gentle twist and it detox your liver naturally, and it is very crucial for your hormone processing. This posture is a very effective posture for managing your PCOS, PCOD and irregular periods. Do practice it daily for getting the most out of this asana. Next is Bharadvajasana, right twist. I know this twisting is a little challenging. If you cannot do it properly with using your hands, you can do the modification. You can use a strap. Instead of grabbing it with your hands, you can grab it using your strap. I really hope this flow was helpful for you. If it was, let me know in the comment section, and I wish you the happy practice.